We will come to the home page of TikTok Shop Seller Center and open the product menu by clicking on the product menu, under the home page menu. Now the product related list will appear. Manage products, product bundles, product optimizer, add new product. Here we can select manage product and add new product. But we click on upload now on page, which will open manage products page. The details will come after the page is loaded. On the next page we can see options, product name and category under the basic information. Now we will open Amazon Co. UK in new window, and from here we will search for the product and copy and paste its full name in the product name bar. And after that we will search for the same category and write it in the category bar. Now we will insert 3 images of same product with white background optional, in the image box of product image under product detail. Exclamation mark, a minimum of 3 images is recommended, we can upload more. Exclamation mark, it is recommended to upload images that are at least 1200 times 1200 pixels. Exclamation mark, it is recommended to avoid using photo collage as product image. Now copy description of product and paste in product description. If there is a video of the product, then upload the video, otherwise leave it. Enable variations if this product has options, like size or color. Does the product identifier code? Select yes or no. In product identifier, select up, enter code. Enter retail price. Enter quantity. In shipping and warranty, enter weight and dimensions of product. Set delivery options at default or custom to estimate shipping fee. Warranty period and warranty policy are optional. Now we click on Publish. This way we can list the product on TikTok Shop. How to do TikTok Shop payment verification. Today I will tell you how we can do enable TikTok Shop payment verification. Let's get started. First of all, go to TikTok Shop Seller Center's homepage and click on Go Complete at the end of the instructions written at the top of the page. On the next page we will see payment KYC information. Company name, company number, company address will be filled in, which we have already done. We select government issued letter under company address proof document, where the limited image will already exist. Upload the proof document. Remember that 1. Address on the proof document should be the same as the address we input. 2. Second, make sure that the image of document smaller than 10 meters and the format is JPG, PNG. We'll thoroughly check all proof documents like business owner residential address and statement from a financial institution. And then click on Submit. It will successfully submit it. Go back to the home page. There will be a message that your payment-related information are under review. How to add the warehouse address of TikTok Shop. Our topic is on how we can add warehouse address in our TikTok Shop. The purpose of adding a warehouse address is how we can return the shipping order to our TikTok shop. Let's get started. On the TikTok Shop Seller Center homepage screen, we click on Seller Profile under My Account in the left menu. Now after the Seller Profile window opens, we will click on Warehouse/Pickup Address in the upper menu. Now we will click on Add Warehouse and we can see 1 warehouse name, 2 contact person, 3 phone number, 4 postal code, 5 street address, 6 region. Now we will fill all required requirements till street address. Region will be automatically filled by entering street address. Now we will save by clicking on Save. You can also copy same address and pick up warehouse address. How to complete TikTok payment verification. So at first we will go to the home page, click on the Go Complete, small black square, then we will provide them company address, small black square, LTD, small black square, business owner. Limited documents and business owner proof. Residential address, then submit it. In this way you can verify your payment on TikTok. Downloading TikTok Shop Seller Center in Android. How to download the TikTok Shop Seller Center in Android. Open Chrome. Google download TikTok Shop app. From appcure.com recommended. Click on Web. On the next page, click on Download app when the download is complete. Install it and done, we can see. Now we have TikTok Shop app in our phone apps. Downloading TikTok Shop Seller Center app in iOS. Please note that app availability and feature may change over time, and there might be specific requirements for accessing the TikTok Shop Seller Center. So we should also upgrade our knowledge from time to time. How to download TikTok Shop Seller Center app in iOS. First off, we will open Setting app in the iOS phone. We will select or click on our app. Then we click Media and Purchases on the screen. Then click on View Account. Now we click on Country/Region. This note will there. Select the desired country and region. We will select United Kingdom.